What's up everyone, it's Adam with Adam's Tech Talk, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 4. This is a big redesign this year with two new sizes, a 40mm starting at $399 and a 44mm starting at $429. You can add cellular to either of those sizes for $100 more, and you can customize the watch on Apple's website all the way up to $1,499. Although it's two new sizes this year, the watch bands are compatible from previous generations, so you don't have to throw away your old watch bands. It does have a processor that's up to twice as fast as the Series 3, Bluetooth 5.0, an improved gyroscope and accelerometer that now allows fall detection, and the watch will call for help if you fall and don't get up within a certain amount of time. The optical heart rate sensor can now detect an abnormally low or high heart rate. It also features a brand new electrical heart sensor that allows an ECG to be done right on your wrist, with an app coming to enable that feature later in the year. Let's open it up and see what you get. This is a 44mm aluminum silver, so it's going to come with a white band. There it is. And you still have the two sizes if you're a small or medium wrist or a medium or large. And in this box, we have, it just shows you how to attach the band and tells you how to get started. We also have the charging pad, the wall adapter, and the actual watch itself comes in a microfiber cloth this year. The crown is no longer red on the cellular version, it just has a red ring around the edge because you use this button to complete the circuit when you're doing an ECG. And that's what these new contacts are on the back side of the watch. The back side is all ceramic now instead of glass. They've also moved the microphone from the left side to the right side to increase the distance between the speaker and microphone for better call quality and clarity. You still have the one button there. Let me zoom in and we'll compare this to a Series 3. Alright, just to give you all a little comparison between the new Series 4 and the Series 3. The thickness is very noticeable, with the Series 4 being considerably thinner. Also, the screen is considerably larger. It's very noticeable in person. Just kind of show you all the views here. If you all have any questions or want to see anything with either of these watches, feel free to ask in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.